Hi Sharlene, are you ready for your this and that question?
Yes, I am.
Okay, are you an introvert or an extrovert?
I'm an ambivert. I'm in between. It depends who, where, when, why, how. Yeah.
Are you left-handed or right-handed?
I'm right-handed.
No, simple or glam?
90% simple.
Rain or sunshine?
Sunshine. Sunshine always.
Are you an early bird or a night owl?
Mostly an early bird, but because of the many things I do, sometimes I have to be a night owl as well.
Get even or get over it?
Just get over it, move on, have no grudges.
A night out or night in?
Nighting, definitely nighting.
Call or text?
Text.
Sunrise or sunset?
I really love both, but I'd pick sunrise.
Are you always late or always early?
Usually early. More early than late.
Are you a dog person or a cat person?
No pets.
Are you a dreamer or a realist?
I'm a realist.
And the last one, do you prefer walking or driving?
Definitely walking.
Okay, another question we want to know. What is your day-to-day quote?
I'd pick it from something my mom always says. If you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go with others.
Thank you.
Thank you. Again.